Okay, that's super important to have your customer satisfied about how you help them. You always will have some issues. You will always have some users reaching out to you because there's a problem they're experiencing. That's a normal thing. And if you have a great customer support, then users will be fine with it, as long as your product works well enough. But if you have a bad customer support, then it could really, really hurt your user satisfaction. So you want to follow your ratings, and especially the bad ratings. You definitely want to explore what happened when people rated customer support badly. So here, what we're going to do is that we're going to import your Intercom data into Actiondesk, which I did here. That's super simple. It just takes 2 seconds. You can follow that link here if you want to do it. And what we're going to do here is that out of all that data, we want to focus on the last month. Maybe you want to do that every month. Look back at that dashboard that we're going to create, and it will always update. So at any point of time when you will look at it, you will look at the 30 last days of bad ratings. What we will consider here bad ratings are under 25%. You remember that in Intercom, what happens when a user got a support is that they get sent an email where people choose between 5 emojis, between emojis that smile or are unhappy. And so that converts as Intercom data into 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So we will focus on 25% or under, thinking that this is bad rating. And so to do that, we're going to take our data and create at the end a column that will filter only the last 30 days of conversations. So in past 30 days, that's a calculated column, which means that this formula that I'm creating here, where I take between 2 days and the date the conversation has been created, is under 31. If so, it will tell me yes in my column, otherwise it will tell me no. And this column, each time I will look at it, it will always compare the date of creation with the date today. So at any point when you're looking at the dashboard, it will always be the last 30 days. So here I will select only the yeses, so those data in the past 30 days. Did I select it well? Oh, that's sorry for that. My camera that was bothering me. Okay. And then what I want to do is to look at those ratings that I have. So as we were saying, those are percentages. So I have 0, 25, 50, 75, or 100%. And what I want to do is to filter anything that is under or equal to 25. And here it is. So now at any point of time, you go back to that dashboard and it refreshes automatically with all your live data from Intercom. And so you always have a look at your last 30 days of bad ratings. And then that's your job. You dig into that data. You're in a spreadsheet here, so you can play a bit with it and explore your raw data and maybe check who was in charge of the support, or maybe the date, because at some point you might have had a new feature that created bugs, or it might be whatever, you name it. Now that's your job to improve your customer support. You have everything to do it.